Yes, today I want to discuss about one business opportunity, that is organic chemicals. How to do organic chemicals and how it will be useful, and all these we can discuss now. Basically, organic chemicals manufacturing is one of the most profitable chemicals business ideas. Not only in domestic market, this product has also very good export potential. Selecting the right product and the right machinery is important in this business. Right product, selecting the right product and the right machinery is important in this process of for making organic chemicals. You should select a right product also. You should have good experience also in that, because what I am saying is, by videos, by YouTube videos and Google search engine also, you can get about organic chemicals and the details very well. Hundreds of videos will be there, so that you can learn it easily. But practical experience is must in organic chemicals making. Then you will have a practical experience. Then you can do independently as an entrepreneur. So go through likewise, and get permission from local authorities. If it is a big scale, please take permission from local authorities with your complete project and product details. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of structure, properties, composition, reactions, and preparation of carbon containing compounds, which include not only hydrocarbons but also compounds with any number of other elements including hydrogen. Most compounds contain at least one carbon hydrogen bond, nitrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. What is meant by organic chemicals? Organic chemicals definition: a broad class of substances containing carbon and its derivatives. Many of these chemicals will frequently contain hydrogen with or without oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus and other elements. They exist in either carbon chain or carbon ring form. What are the examples of organic chemicals? Organic chemicals: hydrocarbons, oxygen and hydro compounds, nitrogen compounds, sulfur compounds, and phosphorus compounds, and organic organometallic compounds, ferrocens, etc. In this, especially oxygen and hydrogen compounds are hydroxy compounds are alcohols, aldehydes, carboxylic acids and ketones. Nitrogen compounds are amines, amides, nitrocompounds, nitriles, etc. Sulfur compounds are phosphates, phosphines, organic organometallic compounds, ferrocens. These are the examples of organic chemicals. What are organic chemicals used for? Organic chemicals are used in many different industries. Some are suitable as feedback for medical, pharmaceutical, biochemical or bioengineering applications. Others are used as ingredients in polymer and plastics production, as solvents for cleaning agents, as various additives. Because I am also preparing the notes to explain to you, because you can see the details in my web page also. I will give the link in description. While click on the link, you can directly go to my web page regarding organic chemicals also. But even though if one YouTube video is there, it is easy to understand. That is the effort I am doing. What are five main organic compounds? Organic compounds, which are compounds associated with life processes, are the subject matter of organic chemistry. Among the numerous types of organic compounds, four major categories are found in all living things: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins and nucleic acids. What are organic chemicals in water? Volatile organic compounds, pesticides, phenolic compounds, phthalates and nitrogen containing compounds are often detected in polluted water. VOCs such as trichloroethylene, tetrachloroethylene, and trichloroethylene, and most often found in groundwater. What is organic and inorganic? The word organic means something very different in chemistry that it does when you are talking about produce and food. Organic compounds and inorganic components form the basis of chemistry. Inorganic compounds is that organic compounds always contain carbon, while most inorganic compounds don't contain carbon. That is the only difference. So, inorganic components don't contain carbon, but organic compounds will contain carbon. That is the only difference. Is CO2 organic? Compounds that are considered organic must contain carbon bound to hydrogen and possibly other elements. By this definition, iron cyanide complexes, carbon dioxide, carbon tetrachloride, and sodium bicarbonate, and all are inorganic. What are the toxic organic chemicals? Organic chemicals play an invaluable role in the modern lifestyle. They include pharmaceuticals, pesticides, plastics, fuels, solvents, explosives, surface coatings, adhesives means attachables, and disinfectants and fire retardants. These toxic organic chemicals merit regulatory security and possible controls over synthesis and use. This is the information I want to provide regarding organic chemicals. And one thing I will say, that any type of product you do, one moral scale you should maintain. That is 70% will be the working cost and 30% will be your margin. If you maintain such things, definitely you will be successful in this. That is I want to say to you. And if you are sincere, but one thing I will say, that don't compromise regarding quality. Quality, always research and you should get good quality, and always don't compromise regarding quality. If cost, let it be increased the cost, but don't forget the quality. That is I want to say. Even customer also, if you are having a good quality, they will forget about the cost for the time being. If quality is not, everything is lapsed. So be careful and be sincere and maintain your margins with good profits. Then you will get a very good future in this also. And once organic chemicals you are making, means it will become a generation wise business to you, to your son and to your grandson. Likewise it will go on. But even if you want to close it in certain times, for jumping into another business also, say delivery submission to third party concept is there. By that you can sell out to your company also, organic chemicals manufacturing company also. You will get a very good goodwill also. They will give for your land, including land cost, machinery cost, and monthly maintenance costs of the workers and staff, and as well as with a big thing is, including your turnover also, you will get the double to the cost also. That is your goodwill. So your efforts will never go, even after at any time for 5 years or 10 years. If you want to sell out also, it is easy. But your business will never give loss at any stage also. So be careful and be successful in this organic chemicals manufacturing also. Wishing you all the best.